Welcome to Mimi's EduHelp, an educational platform to study maths friendly, easily and efficiently.
Today, we are going to discuss section E type problem from the chapter Trigonometry Application. Let's read first the question. Drawbridge. So, first they are mentioning about the drawbridge. What do you mean by drawbridge? A drawbridge is a bridge that can be moved in order to stop or allow the passage across it. Modern bridges are often built across large busy waterways. They can be lifted to allow large ships to pass or lowered to allow land vehicles or pedestrians to cross. Now, the question is, a drawbridge is 60 meter long when stretched across a river, as shown in the figure. The two sections of the bridge can be rotated upward through an angle of 30 degrees. First question is, if the water level is 5 meters below the closed bridge, find the height between the end of a section and water level when the bridge is fully open. So first we need to redraw the same picture to do our problem easily. So when the bridge is stretched like this, it should be how much? 60 meter. That means it is 60 meter width is there when it is stretched. So this water level is there. So below the water level, below 5 meter, no, they are telling in the question, if the water level is 5 meter below the closed bridge. So closed bridge is above 5 meter above the water level. So we have to draw the bridge first. Suppose bridge is like this, is 5 meter above, no? -30 they are mentioned. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. So that means from here okay. So if both of them this is stretched across the river, it should be 60 meter. That means if it is open like this meter, this length is what? 30 meter. This length will be 30 meter will come. This part we don't know. That means we are mentioning x meter. We don't know. We have to find out. So from the total, first question they are asking the height. So this total height we will mention as a capital H. From here to here, the height we will mention as a small h. So we know that from here to here, that means from here to here, it will come how much? 5 meter. Now we are going to start to do the problem. We have to find out the opposite side, no? We are standing here. So we have to find out the opposite side and we have the value of hypotenuse. That means we understood that we have to depend sine 30. Sine 30 means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is how much? H by hypotenuse is 30. Sine 30 we know that sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. We must have to thorough with the trigonometry table values. H by 30. Cross multiply. You will get 2h is equal to 30. H is equal to 30 by 2. We will get 15 meter. So that means from here to here it will come how much? 15 meter will come. Now we have to find out for the second question, we have to find out this part also. So let's read the second question. How far are the end of two sections when the bridge is fully open? As shown in the figure. So if now this bridge is open now. So if it is bridge is open, how far it is. That means we have to find out the distance between these parts. So we got h now. Now we have to find out. Now we have to find out the answer for second part. So for the second part, what we have to find out? For the second part, we are going to find out x value. To find out the x value, we are standing here, no? So that means x means it is adjacent. And the value we have is hypotenuse. That we understood that we have to depend cos 30 because cos 30 proportion is what? Cos 30 ratio is what? It is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 30. Cos 30 we know that it is root 3 by 2 is equal to x by 2. You have to cross multiply x by 30. So you have to cross multiply. So you will get it root 30. 30 root 3 is equal to 2x. So 2x is equal to 30 root 3. X is equal to 30 root 3 by 2. You will get it how much? 15 root 3. That means we got the value from here to here. It is how much it is coming? 15 root 3. That means from here to here also 15 root 3. We have to find out the distance between these parts, no? When it is open. So total distance we know that it will come when it is stretched, how much it is coming? 60 meters. So from the 60 meter we have to subtract these and these. So we are going to find out D. D is equal to 60 minus what? 15 root 3 plus 15 root 3. We have to add both the x and subtract from the total, no? 16 minus 30 root 3. Here 30 is the common factor, no? Here, so balance is coming what? 2 minus 30 is already outside, so balance is coming what? So root 3. So 30 is a common, so we take it out 30 and inside the bracket it will come 2 minus root 3. We know that root 3 is equal to what? 1.732. So we have to subtract 1.732. While writing the decimal part, take care, decimal part under decimal part. You will get it how much? D is equal to 0.268 into 30. So we have to multiply it by 30, no? Then one more zero is there. Then I have to move 3 decimal, no? 1, 2, 3. So that means D is equal to 8.04 meter. So here, when it is open, both of them are 8.0 meter apart. So we got both answer. So when the bridge is fully open, height is equal to how much? And the section they are asking, no? So when the bridge is fully open, the first question, if the water level is 5 meters below the closed bridge, find the height h between the end of the section and water level when the bridge is fully open. That we already find out h is equal to how much? 20 meter. That is the answer for the first question. And the answer for the second one, the distance when the bridge is open, how much apart? So the D value, we got it how much? 8.04 meter. Hope all of them understood this type of question. This is very important question. We have to practice like this questions for exam.